So this is a momentary push button switch. The interesting thing about this is it can work in normally open or normally closed. I'm going to show how that works. So, because the switch is off, and then once I press the button, it turns on, that means it's normally open. And also, with the pressing it and then the motor turns on, and then moving my finger and it turns off automatically. That's called momentary. So it's a momentary push button switch, and this is normally open. So I'm going to show normally closed now. So what I'm doing is I am switching the wires from this side to this side. So with this switch, if you need to use normally open and normally closed on two different circuits, you can do that. So right now it's on normally closed, but my power's off, my power supply. So that's why the fan's not turning on. But so once I turn my power on my power supply, the fan turns on, and then I push the button and it turns off. So this is normally closed setup.